Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your American Pacific Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your American Pacific Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and open your web browser. On the search box at the top, type in apmortgage.fastclass.com and make a search. On the next page, tap on Login under Information section. You will end up on the login page of American Pacific Mortgage account. Enter your username or email address and password associated with your American Pacific Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Your Password option. If you want to create a new account, tap on Create an Account option. This is how you can log into your American Pacific Mortgage account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.